Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the IBM Selectric 2. Actually, I think this is a Selectric 3 on the bench. And I need to take off the operational shaft on the side. These two screws need to come out to loosen this bracket, and they're tight. They're never been loosened. They're factory tight. And I have tried just with normal power to try to get that top screw loose right there, that one, and I can't get it with just normal grip. There's two things I can do with this. Number one is apply more leverage with a wrench on my square shaft, and then I can turn it like this and get it probably to break free. But what I'm going to show is the hammer method. So accessibility is good on this. It's not always good on a lot of screws. This won't work. What you can do is put the screwdriver on the leading or the tailing edge of that screw on that side, so it's going to rotate this way to loosen. Right here in that groove right there. It's kind of hard to see how that's lining up here, but we'll see if we can get a better. So right there in that edge. And angle is not super critical, but the closer you can get it flat, the better. So right there is a pretty good chunk of that corner right there. And then I'm going to smack this screwdriver with a hammer on that edge right there. And that's going to pop that free. It does two things. Number one, it shocks it. It knocks it out of place and rotates it at the same time. So there it is. It's in there. And this has a lot of, it has a lot of weight. It doesn't feel that heavy. You need something to support it. So, put a couple things here, because I'm going to smack that pretty hard. I don't want it to shift positions. Okay, let's focus in here, see if I can focus in. Okay, so I'm going to take that right in the corner right there, just like that. Right in that spot, right. And I'm going to smack this. See if that did it right there. Did not. Try it one more time. Didn't really give that a good whack like I should have. Camera's kind of in the way here. There it goes. It just literally spun halfway around already. So that one now is loose. Completely loose. And it leaves a little nick on the little scar on the screw there. Let's see how tight this one is. It's pretty tight too. Okay, so this is going to need a different approach angle. We'll go on this side right here, and we'll give this another whack right here. We'll loosen this one up too. Yeah, should have been more. There it goes. Just spun right over. That's a good trick with heavy duty screws or old screws that won't come out. Give them a little hammer trick, and that will get them freed up. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.